Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Propertybase for listings and lead capture, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Propertybase for listings and lead capture, start by visiting the Propertybase website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up link to create a new one. Follow the prompts to input your necessary information. Check your email for a verification link to activate your account. Once your account is active, return to the login page. After logging in, navigate to the Settings or API section in your dashboard. Locate the API key option to generate your unique key. Copy the API key for use in your applications. Next, access your lead capture settings. Integrate the API key where required within your lead capture forms. Test the connection to ensure that the API is functioning correctly. For property listings, navigate to the Listings section in your dashboard. Choose the option to add a new listing. Fill in the details for the property, ensuring that all required fields are completed. Save your listing and check to confirm it appears in your listings overview. Make sure to configure any additional settings related to lead capture. Finally, conduct a test submission through your lead capture form to ensure everything is working seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.